Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding line numbers in Microsoft Word. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document. Once your document is open, navigate to the top menu. Look for the Layout tab and click on it. The Layout tab contains options to adjust the structure of your document. Inside the Layout tab, locate the option called Line Numbers. Click on Line Numbers and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select Continuous. This option will add line numbers continuously throughout your document from the top to the bottom of the page. As you type text in your document, you will notice that line numbers automatically appear next to each line. The line numbers adjust automatically as you add or remove text. If you need to restart the line numbers on each page, click on the Line Numbers menu again and select Restart Each Page. This option will restart the numbering at the beginning of every page. Another option is Restart Each Section. This option restarts the line numbers at the beginning of each section if your document is divided into different sections. If you want to exclude line numbers from a specific paragraph, select the paragraph by clicking inside it. Then go to the Line Numbers menu and choose Suppress for Current Paragraph. This will skip the numbering for the selected paragraph. For more advanced options, click on Line Numbering Options at the bottom of the Line Numbers menu. This will open the Page Setup window. From there, select the Line Numbers button. In this window, you can customize the distance between the line numbers and the text. You can also set the starting number and choose whether to restart numbering on each page or section. Once you have adjusted the settings, click OK to apply the changes and close the windows. That's how you can add and customize line numbers in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.